Hi everyone, my name is Bura and I am geometric engineer in General Directorate of Hihgways of Republic of Turkey. I have been working in GIS for 5 years. Our project's name is the Image-Based Information Management Systems. Thanks for watching. Best regards.
Mobile mapping system by integrating the camera, tunnel camera, LiDAR, odometer, and IMR devices that shot 360-degree panoramic images on a platform is specially designed for the vehicle. We bring the entire road inventory to your table and transfer all transportation details to the map and mine it intelligently. Vehicle hardware and software. Goal: visualization of the whole Hihgways road network, panoramic and point cloud imaging system, road inventory information digitization, map GIS-based information management system, asset management, maintenance, planning, project evaluation and measurement. Scope: approximately 90,000 km road network and approximately 70,000 km divided road and approximately 3 million point inventories and approximately 700,000 km line inventories in 412 different inventory types. Task divisions: analysis, design, hardware supply, storage system, server, data acquisition with mobile mapping, panoramic point cloud system, digitization, inventory creation, information management system, server and web software, mobile update software, trainings, analysis. Design: point cloud publishing software, panoramic data production software, management panel, field studies, data processing processes, software and hardware architecture, mobile software. Achievements. Now I am completing my presentation with a short introductory video. Thanks for watching.